Not quite sure how he's going to look at the display. Looks cool. This is a bit fiddly. This seems to be another short one, and here we're going to add the other half of the midsection. Let's see, we need to screw these together with FP. So let's get these out of its packets. There you go. Ooh, it's quite a lot of them. Alrighty, now we already know how to do this. Let's turn this one upside down, and it should just fit. There we go. And let's push this firmly in here. Make sure they line up quite nicely. Alrighty. Now let's screw these in with FP, 4 FPs. Now I start with the opposite ends this time. Make sure it's tightened properly. Let's see if we can put it like this. Yeah, easy. That's way better. If you have difficulties getting the screws in, use your thumb to guide it, because it gives you more precision and makes you less shaky. Alrighty, done. Cool. Now we're going to attach this bit, and I think it's keyed, so I don't think you can do it wrong. Let's have a look. That fits. That does not. Alright. Cool. Yep, looks great. Now again, I'll start with the top and the bottom one. Now the middle. Now whatever you do, do not use any electrical tool like a mechanical screwdriver, because you will regret that. Just do it by hand, because those tools, even the smaller ones, just have too much torque and they spin too quickly, and by the time you realize the screw is in, you've already destroyed the thread. Not of the screw, but of the plastic insert, so be careful not to do that. Alright, here we go. Even here I can notice a difference, like as soon as the screw hits the end, you kind of want to stop, like now, because one extra turn and yeah, the inside is ruined. Alright, what's left? We have these 2 units left. Alright. Now, it's getting a bit tricky, crowded. And I'm not sure if I've aligned this properly or not. Can't tell. So what screws are we using here? We are using FPs. Let's have a look how I did that previously. No, gotta use these. I think that's an error. Yeah. All right, be careful. You gotta use smaller ones for these inserts. I don't know if I have aligned it properly. No, I haven't. So you can see the screw just rotates with no resistance. So I gotta figure out where those columns are on the inside. It's very hard to tell. I think this is correct. I think, yes, that's it. Somebody should really proofread that magazine. I think it's a copy and paste error during editing, but still, this should be AP, guys. And I think last but not least, this part. And again, take your time, insert the bottom first, and then try to align. Let's see if we can see this here. think that's it. Can't move it left to right, so that should be good. If we look into it, I think we can see the part, so that's good. And again, these are angled. Use your thumb as a guide if you need to, and screw it in. Nice. One more. There you go, all in one. Alright, starting to take shape. Nice. And that's it for this part, guys. See you in the next one.